Share with us a challenge you face in your trading career and how you overcame it.
Oh, the number one challenge I face in my career was not sticking to a specific strategy, really. Like finding a strategy that works for me, because everybody is different. Like you got to know your own trading style based on your personality. And I have a more of a passive personality. I don't really like to trade aggressive. So, I had to stick with a strategy that's more passive. That's not really too assertive and too aggressive. And so, and also sticking with my gut feeling about a trade, because a lot of times I know I believe the trade is going to move a certain way, and when I doubt myself and I have these tiny doubts, and that's when I panic and get out of trade, and then the trade does go the way I thought it would go, and then I have that regret, like that. Oh man, I knew it was gonna go this way. Why didn't I stick to the trade? So that's the number one. Sticking to your strategy and stick with your gut feeling of what's gonna happen in trade. So basically you need to have discipline for that and self-control. So without that self-control, you're always gonna fail no matter what.
Yeah, I agree on that. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, always something that people can work on. Self-control, man. Oh yeah.
I
All
mean, look at
right.
Will Smith. Will Smith.
Yeah, I saw the video yesterday for the first time, because for 2 weeks I was like, oh man, I have something else to do, man. I don't know. I'm always on YouTube, so I fell down the rabbit hole yesterday. But yeah.
Eventually, you have to, man. Everybody was talking about it. It's like way you couldn't miss it, and that's also a lesson for me. Like, wow, that's the importance of having self control. When you don't have self control, you lose everything. Look at that. He's lost his reputation.
Yeah, well, he didn't lose his freedom, at least. So
Almost, you could have.
yeah, some people said he should have, and he should have got arrested and all that, right? So
Yeah.
right on the spot. So man, it's crazy drama. But I'm like, when I was watching, I was like, man, like why people care so much about like these celebrities? Like,
Yeah.
but anyway.
That's what I thought too. It was like, why is the whole world talking about this specific thing? Well, there's other things that could be going on. I thought it was weird to me. It's like, oh, well, that's the life we're living.
Yeah. Yeah, man. All right. So describe describe a key moment in your trading career, good or bad? A key moment. Okay, so yeah. I was about to basically read your answer. So describe a key moment in your trading career, good or bad.
All right. Well, a key moment in my trading career was when I realized that I basically had to analyze the entire market, right? I had to take a step back and have an eagle eye view of the entire market, of what's going on, see the bigger picture. Because yeah, the smaller time frames are important for you to getting into a trade, but if you don't see the overall market, like where it's trending, where it's going, if you don't see the like the support and resistance lines in the daily time frames, you don't know, like it could be something you're missing. You don't know if it's going to pull back or go up. So taking that bigger view and seeing the bigger picture of things definitely helped me a lot. And that's why I started to do it. I started to draw the support and resistance lines in daily time frames to help me see the bigger support and resistance price action lines where I have to draw them at so I can know where to take profit or where to sell or where to buy.